Alright, welcome back to my playthrough of Super Lucky's Tale for the Xbox One. Last time we finished up the first half of Veggie Village. This is a long world already, but I guess with how few worlds that are actually in the game, they kinda have to do that. But now we are moving on to the second half, starting with Pungent Pads. This one I do not remember, because remember, we did complete Veggie Village in the arcade. I don't remember it. Like, I remember the giant farm equipment and the crazy family of moles, but I don't remember anything past that. Though I'm sure it'll come back to me in time. Let's see what we got here. I was gonna say, better... Oh. Hi, this looks fun. This looks fun already. Oh, mister, Grandpa's been worm-napped by the Garlic King. What? He took him into the maze, and now we won't hear the end of his story. Can you help? I can hear you out there, little brats. Quit sending furry animals in here. I just know he's being mean to Grandpa. Please hurry. Sure thing. So now we have the Garlic King. Okay, I hate to see what the next world offers us. And... hello. No, I can't. I can't do anything with that. At least not yet. Will this? Oh yeah, that'll help. Kind of. I think. Oh, there's a rabbit. Okay, I do not remember this level. Maybe we didn't do it for the arcade. That's it. That's what I wanted. Well done, sir. And as promised, here's your prize. Oh, thank you. Cool. Well, thank you. Yeah, because I know we beat this world, because I remember who the boss of the third world was at least gonna be. But I do not remember a maze with a giant clove of garlic at the end. I really don't. Good, at least I can defeat them. Some more standard enemies. At least the variety is switching up a little bit. Whoa! And there's coins on top, because hello! Whew! That was a little crazy. I mean, so far it doesn't seem any more difficult than your garden variety level. And oh, I didn't even see you back there. Oh, don't worry, I'm gonna come get you. Don't you worry, it's not like you do anything. Yeah, we definitely needed to switch that up, because I can go this way, can't I? Yeah, and then I think... is this our secret for the day, or is this something else? No, that's our secret. Okay. I don't even know what my crazy cat's doing in there, aside from being crazy. Whoa! Oh, hold on, guys. Gotta pause. Eve's calling me. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Yeah, if Eve's calling, definitely gotta pick up. It's not just a call I can exactly ignore. That would definitely be a bad thing. Yep, and there's the clover, and... Yeah, I was gonna say, it's like, you better let me jump back up. Although it looks like it's all floor down there, so I wouldn't get... I don't think I'd get killed. I think. I'd like to believe that anyways. And speaking of, you know, kills and deaths, and hopefully that won't happen at least for a little while, at least my extra lives carried over. I appreciate that much. It's not like other games where they'll reset upon, you know, starting the game over. I actually like that they kept it. So that means I have a chance to rack up quite a few. And speaking of racking things up, I looked at the achievements I have to rack up. Man, some of them are crazy. I don't know if I'm getting 1,000 points in this or not, but I am gonna get 100. I'm gonna get all the clover leaves. I'm gonna do that much at the very least. And oh dear, this looks... It would help if there were shadows for the coins. Wait, is that... Oh. I was gonna say, is that coin in the middle? And it was. It's like it would help if there were shadows on. Ow. What? Oh, that... Oh, because of you. I thought your friend got me through the wall. Nope, you got me. Jerk. So let's get you. Oh, you didn't even give me any coins. Okay, glad I went that way then, because that appears to be not the proper way to go. I guess it was this way. Kinda hard to tell when it's a maze and the camera is this tight in. If I could zoom it out, well, no, that would make it harder to get around. Dang, almost to 300 already. Oh, and I was about to mention something about letters, since I haven't seen one for a while. Well, this is a conundrum. No, it's not. I just had to go back around, apparently. Or... Okay, I am going the right way. It's kinda... It's always hard to tell on this level. Oh my god, not one stable space of ground for me to stand on. No! I made it. Oh, did I... That's tricky just because of the angle there. Whoop. No, I messed up again. Dang, that's a tricky one. But I will get it. Told you I would. Not like I needed it, but... Oh, cool. I don't know how I got my health back, but I'm not gonna... I'm only questioning it because I want to know what I did. And I know I don't have to get all these coins, although one of the achievements did say get like 15,000 coins. I'm like, ugh. Although that's sort of easy-ish, I think. What if I hit... No. Nope. Get the letter. Cool, and I saw the Y a little bit further. Although now I don't... Ooh. Oh, there it is. Cool. And we're at the end of the stage, too. Oh ho, this little fox has bested my maze, and ha, what a fluffy tail you have. Just looking at that snuggly tail puts a smile on my face. Guards, release the royal storyteller, and hearken to my royal decree. Let it be known that henceforth this day shall be known as National Fluffy Tail Day. Let all good citizens rejoice on this, the snuggliest holiday. I can't help but laugh. This is the dumbest thing ever, but it's amazing. Well, I'll be. I never would have pegged that grouchy old garlic for a softie. By the by, I found a big fancy clover while tunneling my way to freedom. You're welcome. To it, seeing as how I owe you my freedom and all. Go on down and see for yourself. Oh, so it's clovers down here then. Man, I don't know why they have to make the worms text so friggin' small. Like, why? It's painfully hard to read. I need some binoculars or something to it. But yeah, it looks like we got all 4 clovers again. This world's going pretty good. And hey, only two more stages before we go confront the mad scientist. So that'll be fun. But wow, yeah, that stage took a while. Though, like I said, I am trying to 100% these. I'm not rushing. It's not like I know what I'm doing here. Because I don't remember a maze involving worms and a giant piece of garlic. I swear I don't. Oh. Cool. Hey, the gem was there. Oh yeah, I want to go back and check on that statue, too. This way it gives me an idea as to how many clovers are left, because I guess turning the statue into a golden one of Lucky that pretty much symbolizes you got all the clovers in that world. I was like, was there a diamond up there? Oh, and I could have just taken the ladder. I didn't know that. Well, let's see what we get next. Almost. Oh, so, wow. I feel like there were less here than there were on the last world. So no other special ones, just the remaining 2 stages, and we can turn that gold. Okay. I'll be taking this, thank you very much. And I'll go back for the outfit later. It might be a bit more than I thought anyways. Ripe rollers. Really do not remember this one for sure. But hey, I mean, after this world, it's going to be completely blind, because we didn't start the other 2 worlds. We just know who the villain's going to be. It's going to be that small Napoleon cat with a fat, derpy sidekick. Trust me, if you want to go back and hear Eve, rant about that one, which she found... She loved the fat, fluffy sidekick end. Okay, I was going to say, can I go on this wheel? Because it was kind of hard to tell. I just gotta remember in this stage... Wait. Oh. Because it's like I thought I heard something over there. And with those, it's... Ooh. Well, that's great. No, I'm going down. And yet I'm still coming back up. Do I keep the letters? Yes. Okay, that's good enough. I don't keep the coins, but I keep the letters. I'm okay with that. That was a stupid place to put it. That was an insane... And I have this feeling they'll be stupider. Well, I almost slipped there. Oh. No, 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 no! Oh my god, how did I survive? What the? What the? Was that giant produce? Is that giant produce trying to kill me? Okay, that's different. Don't think I've been attacked by giant produce yet. Oh. Cool. Now just, how do I get down there? Very stupidly, I'd imagine. And, oh, I was like, where are those coming from? And, oh. Oh, you don't. Well, thanks. You're not exactly useful. Why do you have a random shop here, dude? Oh, and... I'll take these. Oh, I hate the giant produce. It's like I knew what he was gonna do this time. Huh. Holy... No! Oh. I wonder if it's the checkpoints that restore my health then, because I didn't do anything else, and I did get that checkpoint. That could probably be it. Oh. Are you kidding me? What am I... Oh. I was gonna say, what am I supposed to do? Huh. Oh. Wait, did I get all the letters? Oh. Okay. That's cool. I don't remember that. Oh dear. Can't believe I made that without an issue. What? What? That's the end of the stage? Wow, okay. That only took like 8 minutes. Okay. Weird. Very weird. Oh yeah, and that opens the Soggy Boggy Boys. But we're not going there just yet. Really? I didn't find this... And there was no indication of... anything. There was, like, no real indication of any secret paths or anything like that.
Come on!
And I have to start over on the coin count, too. That's great.
Whoa! Yeah.
Oh, I missed one. No! How did I get... What the... I was stuck in the ground for a minute. What happened? Yeah, let's just get rid of you properly this time. Nothing down here. I guess Eve's home. 1 minute. Alright, hey guys. Again, sorry about that. So let's get back to it and see if we can find whatever it is we're supposed to find. Ah. Kind of hard to... Dang it, let me get down there. Wonder if there's... No, there's nothing else down here. Ow, that hurt. Big spike ball right to the face. No, that doesn't... Oh, I see something going on back there, but how do I get to it? Oh. Oh-ho. Tricky, tricky. I did not see that there the first time. And, oh dear. Oh, and they're cool. Now if I can... now if I can just get to it. So that means I just need to go back and leave here now, because there's... Ooh, there's... Yeah, I saw the leaf back there, I just can't... Couldn't get to it. Come on, it's like, yeah, I knew you wanted to come down. The problem is his damn shop is in the way. Oh, you can't go through that leaf. Or you can't land... Oh, oops. Well, now I know. I thought I just missed last time, but no, I guess you just can't go through it. Well, either way, I need to definitely go back there and get all those coins for sure. Really? Come on. Okay, let's at least go back there and get all those coins again. There we go, because we can at least use that for sure. Still don't get why you have the random shop set up here in this cave. Whoop. And it seemed like all that was pointless. Oh! I forgot this is the... Ah! Oh, and this is... There we go. Oh, what? I was underground! How did I get hit? Good thing they allowed me to keep my lives, because they're certainly falling by the wayside here. Well, that actually worked out better than expected. And man, those are moving. And you... Oh, you just gave me the letter. And a ladder backup, so that was pointless. Nope. Trying to get all the coins. Ow! Ah! Get away! But that's the... Okay, see, that's a problem. That's a huge problem, and yeah, I'm gonna have to come back when... I'm gonna have to come back when I get the coin clover. Alright, I'm back after all that. Discovered that on that stopwatch minigame thing they have going on there, let it run out a few times. Just collect all but one coin and just let it run out a few times. That's what I did. There's probably a better way, but you know what? If it gets me the end result that I want. Dang, may as well collect a lot of coins though. Got plenty of coins from that stage, so now we can get the outfit though. And now we're a fox on patrol. But we only have one more stage to this world to go. Fortunately enough, this world has been nuts. And I believe it was this way. Was it? Yeah, the soggy boggy boys. And then yeah, there's the door to her way up there. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. So what do we got on our hands today? Oh. I didn't even expect that would give me a letter. Oh, and I guess it's important to note the one thing I discovered is... welcome to our corner of the world, Lucky. Is it your corner of the world, or just your world in general? Because every story in the book I know is its own individual world, and yes... Well, aren't you just the cutest? Gasp, I'm so sorry about my crude manners. I'm feeling an onset of the vapors on account of my favorite band, the Soggy Boggy Boys, being unable to perform. That Cover Your Ears Alley Cat Tess shorted out our festival with their latest invention. Can you find and flip all 6 breakers so I can hear their dulcet tones once more? Sure thing, sounds like a complicated endeavor. But we are on it. I am on the case. Well, there's one. So now I just have to flip all these switches to be able to get the country worm jamboree over there to be able to perform again. I think I can do that. Oh my god, that was a long one for sure. Oh. I certainly wasn't expecting that. Well, that takes care of that. Yeah, I'm like, let me get the jewel up there. But that's interesting that the secret clover was right there. I wonder what Tess's latest invention is that caused this whole mess to happen, and oh, we can talk to you. Oh man, I wonder who messed with our equipment. We need to get this fixed quick. Our fans are starting to get antsy. Yeah, they want to hear you play. You know, they want to hear you play the washboard basin, and, you know, the little jug you have and all that fun stuff. Are those spikes now? Ooh. Oh. Somehow that... Okay, don't know how that works. Why do I... Yeah, I knew I was missing a letter. Spikes on the ceiling, spikes on the floor, spikes whichever way you go. And another lever, and some... Okay, I like how her invention caused the microphones to... Ooh, I'll take that. Caused the microphones to go down into the stage. No idea how that works. Shoot, yeah, there's something over there, alright. I reckon. I tell you what. Oh. Well, that's convenient. 2 for 1 on that. Was not expecting that, and I think I saw the Y close to their stage, so... And we're doing alright on coins, I suppose. Oh, I didn't even expect that. So then what... Okay, so... How exactly did... I still don't get how her machine messed things up. I am so confused. Yeah, and I saw that coin trying to sneak away. I sent Tess a strongly worded email and she ignored it. Now I'm completely out of ideas. Send another one. I don't know. Well, I got all those. Easy enough. Only problem, where's the last switch? And for that matter, where are the rest of my coins? Because I'm missing a lot of them. Because come on, we only have 2 more clover leaves to go, and then we'll be done with this crate. Oh wait, I'm smart. I forgot to hit that one on the way. Oh. No! Are you kidding me? Are the coins really gonna... I guess that's the way to go to the clover leaf, but... Yeah, at least let me get the coin. Give me a shot to get the coins, you jerks, before you just take them away. We're just gonna take this away from you. You don't need it. Am I right? You don't need it. Because, yeah, we've been over the entire stage. May as well go check, see what's... Watch, it'll just be the clover leaf. That's what I'd imagine it being. Yeah. And since I made the mistake of... Oh, there's some gems up here, though. Not enough to see me through the night, though. So close, though. So close. Well, I could jump to my death, but that wouldn't serve any purpose. Yeah, I guess I'll just have to cut again and go get all the coins, because I have no idea where they could be. Awesome, got all the clovers in the Veggie Village chapter finally. That one over there didn't take as long as I thought it would, kinda, but let's go change that statue now. There we go. That's good. And now we can go confront the maniacal scientist Tess and take her out. And then find out what the agenda of the other two cats are under Jinx's control. Yeah, we probably have enough clover leaves for the next boss fight too, I'd imagine. But hey, we'll get to that when we get to that. Right now, sorry about that. Right now, we got this boss to handle.
Come on.
And I remember this was... Oh, and there's an extra life there, too. I remember this was a halfway tricky boss. Do you like vegetables, Lucky? I'm going to squash you. Oh dear. Hi. So... Oh dear, and lasers in the middle. Well, I activated all the coils, so yep, that definitely did something. So if I'm not mistaken, I think I'll just have to activate those Tesla coils a few times to be able to fire something off at her. Okay, good. She only goes straight on. Whoa! Never mind. Thought she was... Didn't think she was going to do that. Uh-oh. Oh, I was going to ask how am I supposed to get that. Simple enough. Come on. Really? Ow, yeah, I'll take a hit. Wait, oh, I missed one. And now I didn't. More bees, I'd imagine? Yep, more bees. Really? Come on. Jump on the bee. Jump on... Okay, you can clearly see I'm angling to where I jump on them, but... And watch, now I have to start this whole fight over, huh? Yep. Okay, I hate these stupid bees. I thought these barn doors were gonna open, but I guess they're just there for ambience to let you know. Yeah, you're on a farm level. There we go, get rid of those jerks. Come on in. Oh, and I guess she'll strike depending on what side you're on. Come on, just one more. Ta-da! Yeah, that couldn't have felt good. I kind of love the weird, trippy, sci-fi kind of music that it sounds like I'm hearing. And... yep, had a feeling it'd be 2 claws. Had a feeling. Probably a lot more levers and a lot more lasers, I'd imagine. Or spinning cannon. Or that works too. Oh, is that thing destroyed? Yep. No, my glorious machine, this is a travesty. But fact, it won't matter. Wait until you see what other miracles of science I have forged. I will remake the world in the name of Papa Jinx. Toodaloo. Hey, another world down though, and looks like this is the end. So, until next time, as always, thanks for watching.